So today, we're gonna make burnt chrome pickup covers. Let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna make some burnt chrome pickup covers. I picked up these cheap Chinese brass pickup covers. They're chromed, and we're gonna see if this will work with a propane torch. Let's get to it. All right. We'll do this one, which I haven't touched yet, so I don't have any fingerprints on this one yet. So I have a metal chair and the metal vice grips and the pickup. The only issue with the vice grips is that it does act like a heat sink. So it does take a while for the pickup to get hot. So I was able to get the honey to turn blue into almost like a white over here. And most of the honey's gone here. The top is really hard to get. It doesn't heat up as much with those holes near it. It's very hard to record these on camera because the light has to hit it just right. And sometimes if you have too much light, it blows it all out, but you get the idea. I just randomly move the torch around and you can get some interesting results, but I want to try it again. I want to actually make a couple of these. Now the interesting thing is you do get some on the side too, so the sides will heat up and you can get some of that coloration, which is really cool. Nice little detail, although you won't see those. And one of the things to remember is that make sure you buy them new. Don't use old ones, because anytime you touch them with your finger, all the little oils in your finger will stay there forever and they'll get burnt into the actual pickup. So this is a quick and easy weekend project. It's relatively cheap, and the results are outstanding. It just looks really unique and cool. I find it hard to believe that sellers on Etsy are selling these burnt chrome covers for $40. I picked these up on Amazon for like $9, and I already have the torch. You may also already have a torch laying around. And if you do, start burning things. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.